Okay, and now the last part of the administration panel testing. Site statistics seem to be okay. In my previous video I highlighted that selling logo does not make sense, but it was requested. View pages, okay, view page per month, okay, and online user. I think online user should show the users visiting the site, not who is logged into the administration panel. I also checked the ad contract I mentioned in my previous video. Now I don't understand how this functionality works. If I'm right, the highlighted text is what you see here. At the work with us page. But terms and conditions and terms and contracts are only text fields. At the moment I don't see the possibility to add physically the terms and the conditions and also the contract, which should be signed by all of the sellers. And if I go back to my original requirement, I also asked in the beginning, that was one of the first documentation I sent you, somewhere in the beginning of November or the end of October, I don't remember. I need a privacy policy statement, the terms of usage, contract for sellers, and also a different terms and conditions or terms of usage, whatever you call it, for the buyers. And the two terms and conditions are different for the two types of users. And here is possibility to add new sites, which simply means that from the administration panel I need something like this, what I highlight. This is an edit functionality, and when I click on the add page, here somewhere I need an add page, then it will appear at the site. So maybe you can put somewhere here that here is the terms and condition, or wherever you can place it. I will try to highlight. Okay. Above this this text, above the copyright notification, above this text you can place all the pages, because I don't know at the moment, maybe sometime I have to place another informational site. I don't know, I don't want to find out examples, but it can happen that the government finds out new things, and we have to put more terms and conditions or whatever site, and we need to generate it dynamically. And I think it's a very simple thing to solve this. But anyway, I need a place, a form, whatever, to upload the terms and conditions for the sellers and the contract for the sellers. But if I modify this text, highlighted text, I'm only modifying the content of the work with us page, and it's also not clickable, viewable, or anything. The other major part is the emails and the newsletter. In the beginning, in a very early stage, the system was sending out newsletters automatically, and I also asked here that the email management status information sent automatically template is given, administrator has to update it. During my administration panel test, I couldn't find any place where the email templates can be edited. So the registration confirmation email, where can I reach it? How can I edit it? Pre-defined email templates with logo, company name, product with related information must be placed from database. It's also not working at the moment, and I have to also admit that there is no place to put the company details, because at the About Us page we have to show this, and I don't think that it's a normal thing that I insert the text simply in the About Us page. It should be edited from the admin panel, and those information can be used within the email templates. The password notification and so on. So we need a place in the admin panel where all the email templates can be edited. At the moment I couldn't find this. I also a few minor issue. If I click on the empty shopping cart, you can see I will highlight for you that the overall and the details text are overlapping each other. Very minor issue. Also, when I click on the buy selected items, I got the billing profile. I think when the shopping cart is empty, it would be better to get a notification that please put an item into the shopping cart, or add some items to the shopping cart, or anything else. Luckily, we can't buy. A cart with zero value. We can well buy a logo with zero value, but you avoided this. Okay. Yes. There is one more thing. I log out, and when I click on join or sign up, I still see here, I don't know if you can see at the video, I hope so, it is still here. This item is still here. It was meant to be for login process, but you put here the login. It's not a problem, it is working, but we agreed that this item will be deleted from every place. It's also a very minor issue. Yeah, the languages. We are still arguing about the language problem. I don't think that this will be ever solved, but what is certainly sure that we don't need the Google translation. That was never mentioned, so please delete from the site. Google translation is a joke and we don't want to use it. Okay, I will log into the site. Yes, and my account this color does not pass into look and feel of the site. I don't think that something like that was indicated in the design file. I think it would be better to use this color, this yellow color, instead of this one, and I think that should be changed everywhere, in the admin panel as well. Okay, I think I went through all the administration panel functionality which is available at the moment, but I would like to also summarize what was my original requirement. I already said this, it's completely missing. The site details, I think we have. Site manage. So this magenta color should be changed to this one. So site name we have, email address we have, meta description, meta details we doesn't have. It's very important things from CEO point of view. Favicon uploading we have, privacy policy, terms of usage, contract for seller, possibility to add new sites we don't have. We have the 404 or URL Google site verification file. Okay, we can solve this issue without having the uploading file possibility here, but anyway it was requested, but okay. Google Analytics number, this should be still changed, how it works, and also the Google Maps. Facebook username, Facebook app ID, Twitter, Google Plus, okay, that we have. So I will highlight it. Okay. Terms of usage. Okay, orders. This was my original requirement. Since I cannot add I cannot edit anything of the order details, and also I don't see the details of the buyer, the details of seller. They should be placed in one row. I just put into this file an example. This is an example how it should look like. Here at the left side I can see the orders, and when I click on an order, then the details of the order are visible. I can edit them whenever I need it. I can see what is the billing details, what is the shipping details, or in our case it is not needed because we don't ship the pictures anywhere, so maybe shipping address is not a must. It's a good have but not a must have, but it would be better to see the order details in a such way. Okay, so it is status from payment processor, status pending, etc. This should be shown in one form, just like in my example picture. It's completely missing, and what you offering in your solution is far from the easily usable method. List of all logos must be shown. Okay, there is a list and I can search it, but I cannot edit it. Categories, title, description can be pure meta, meta keywords. This is also missing. We have category management, I think, but I have to recheck it. Recheck it. No, it's okay. It's okay. Title, description, title, meta keyword. Okay, then forget it. It's fine. Customers, buyers. Yeah. Originally, user type. Okay, here is buyers. Originally I wanted anything else. It's very problematic. You sent me yesterday that you did some modifications in the administration panel, and from that time I'm able to get the billing details of the user, its email, name, address, phone number, postal code. I don't see the value added text number, name, company name, contact, and all information are editable. Maybe from this. Then I can update. It seems to me that I can update only the name, email address, phone number, and user type, and it's okay. And what I don't see is how will be the type of a user a seller, as this user, it is my user, already applied for a seller status, and he is here a buyer. This user is still a buyer. Okay, most of the information are available now. Okay, email management, which is an outstanding part. Users online now, this shows only the users of the administration panel, which is not important at all. All the rest are applied. So let's say category is okay, products okay, customer, sellers, yeah, and informations are editable. The order part is still far from the requirement, and also the company details cannot be set. I think this is all I can show you. I don't know what is your opinion. I think there are a couple of should be changed, but anyway, I hope that after some time we will get 100% functional solution.